What is the value of angle x from the given figure? From first method. Label points C and D. Join perpendicular line CD. Also, label angle y. It implies that y equals 90 degrees minus 22 degrees, which equals 68 degrees. It is because the sum of angles at a perpendicular point equals to 180 degrees. From irregular pentagon formed. Sum of angles in the pentagon equals n-2 multiplied by 180 degrees, where n equals 5-sided polygon. This implies that n-2 multiplied by 180 degrees equals 540 degrees. After simplification of substituted value. Hence, the sum of 68 degrees and x plus 116 degrees plus 138 degrees plus 90 degrees equals to 540 degrees. Simplify and we have that x equals 540 degrees minus 414 degrees, which equals to 128 degrees. Second method. Label points E, F, J, T, and G. Join line FG as shown on the screen. Consider triangle ETF. Angle FET equals 180 degrees minus 116 degrees, which equals 64 degrees. Also, labeled angle ETF equals 180 degrees minus 138 degrees, which equals 42 degrees. It is because the sum of angles in a straight line equals to 180 degrees. From triangle JGC. Since the two lines are perpendicular are parallel. Angle JGC equals angle θ, which equals to 106 degrees. It is because corresponding angles are equal. Also, angle GJC equals 180 degrees minus x. It is because the sum of angles in a straight line equals 180 degrees. Hence, 180 degrees minus x plus 106 degrees plus 22 degrees equals 180 degrees. It is because the sum of angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. It follows that 308 degrees minus x equals 180 degrees. Solve for x and we have that negative x equals 180 degrees minus 308 degrees equals negative 128 degrees. It implies that negative x divided by negative 1 equals 128 degrees. After simplification of values, as shown on the screen. Therefore, x equals 128 degrees.